In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Chrysler Town Country key fob. This key fob was used on Town Countries between 2004 and 2007, and the device takes one CR2032 battery. It's really easy to change the battery yourself at home. You can just pick one of these up online. I've put a link down in the description below if you want to get one for just a couple bucks on Amazon. And then just go ahead, follow along. It's super easy. Right here is where we're going to insert a flathead screwdriver to open up the device. You just put it into that little slot and turning like a key, we will separate the two halves of the key fob. Then you can go into that opening that you just made and work your way down, twisting until it comes apart with your fingers like that. Set this to the side. Carefully remove this rubber component with the circuit board inside. Set that to the side, and now we can get at the battery right there. I'm just going to take my tool, gently get under the battery and lift it up, and it will just come out super easily. Take a new CR2032 battery. Make sure that this positive side with the text on it goes face down. Position it into place, push down, and it's in there. It's super easy. It's pretty much all you have to do, except position this back in place, click this back together, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a comment or give us a like. And for more information on changing the batteries for any of your key fobs from any make or model, check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel or go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.